Hi there, it's Chris here with selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this social profit app review. Now for those of you out there who are looking for an all-in-one tool, photo editor, picture editor that enables you to source public domain images in any niche you want, be able to edit those images and then put them onto social media. The way I would describe this product is basically Canva meets automatic social sharer. If that sounds good to you, you're going to love this product. Today we're going to take a look into Social Profit app and just see exactly why it's so good, how it can help you drive more leads to your offers, to your pages and whatnot. As well as that, I've also saw some really great bonuses for you that are going to go hand in hand with Social Profit app, so you really hit the ground running and get a lot more bang for your buck. Before we get into it, drop a like on this video, hit subscribe and turn on the little bell if you want to be updated on more products coming out that are going to help you make money online. Now also, if you want to jump ahead at any time during this video, skip ahead, check out Social Profit app on your own. Make sure you click the link in the description, because what that will do is take you through to my bonus page first. And the way my bonus page works is it is integrated with the official Social Profit app sales page. So what that means is come through here, click on these green buttons, and that will lock in all of these bonuses for you before then sending you off to the sales page. And if you do decide to purchase Social Profit app, you'll not only get that, but you'll get all these bonuses thrown in with it in one big bundle. First bonus in there is Facebook groups unleashed. Now, why did I throw this in there? Well, Social Profit app, you're going to be producing these really great imagery that sells. It's going to have copy on it. It's going to look really good. And if you don't know where to get traffic, Facebook groups is just so good. I can't stress it enough. I always talk about it in a lot of my videos. You can go out there, your pictures are going to look professional, they're not going to look spammy. You can send people to content, you can answer questions and have your offers in there using Social Profit app. Groups are so underutilized, but it's such a niche audience. You can just go into groups, you've already got access to often like tens of thousands of people straight away. You make one post. A lot of these groups, they don't even have moderation on them. So, you know, without spamming, this teaches you how to really function in a group. A lot of people go into groups and they just spam it and they just don't know how to, you know, act in a collaborated way, and people see right through it. So this product goes into all that, basically how you can kill it in Facebook groups. Next product is Instagram marketing secrets, and this goes into Instagram. If you're creating imagery of any kind and putting imagery out there, you need to know how to use Instagram. You need to know how to leverage Instagram, because that is the image platform. That is where your audience is. It's where everybody is. This goes into how to kill it on Instagram using Social Profit app. You're definitely going to improve your Instagram game, that's for sure. The next product I've got for you is Simple Social Content. Now this goes into, okay, so you've got Social Profit app, you know, you have the tools to produce great, awesome imagery and content. This goes into how to put the content out there, so to speak. So you don't just blast the same kind of content on Instagram as you would on Facebook. A lot of people do that, just blast it out, and they're like, well, why didn't it work here like it worked on here? And there are different nuances and different language that people speak on each platform. Instagram is imagery. Twitter is, you know, conversation, quick little things that people want to read. No one wants to read an essay. Facebook is kind of a hybrid. Pinterest, people want to see what they can buy. There's a lot of buying power on Pinterest. This goes into how you can use Social Profit app the best, the most effectively on each platform. Just doing the right slide adjustments can really yield you much bigger results. The next bonus is $1 Million Copy. You need to know how to sell to people. You need to know how to, when you're constructing your imagery on Social Profit app and your wording and whatnot, you need to know how to word things. You need to know the fact that you need to trigger emotions rather than talk about functions and features, okay? You need to know how to deliver results in your language, selling the picture on the wall as opposed to selling the hammer and the nail, yeah? So this goes into copywriting. It's a great product for just how to write great titles, great wording, so that you just get more buys, basically. You use copy everywhere, emails, landing pages, now your images. Bonus number 5 is the vendor has given me full access to their bonus vault. So really quickly we can go through that. We're getting 1K a day training call. We're getting 57% discount on upgrade 1. you're getting premium agency license, you're getting super affiliate coaching program, you're getting a Christmas bonanza, which is all the software and training programs that we've sold, where they've made millions from. Also, there is one more pack, which is all the apps you can see here: push click commissions, instant cash jackpot, piggyback cash system, tube commission loophole, commissionly, evergreen commission machine, 3-minute comms, secret commission machine, secret traffic goldmine, commission snatch, you know, a few $1,000 that you're getting for free, along with my bonuses, a ton of value. So if that all sounds good to you, it's step 1. Link in the description. You'll go through to my bonus page, click on these green buttons, lock all those bonuses in, that entire bundle. That will send you off to the vendor sales page, which looks like this. And I would recommend going through this in your own free time and getting stuck in there and seeing what it's all about, seeing what's best for you. If you do want it, if you do decide to purchase, you'll be sent a digital receipt, which looks like this. Under the green button will be Social Profit app, and under the blue button, all those bonuses that I just talked about. This is, of course, all dependent on this countdown timer. This is a launch week special. I'm talking about a launch week special here. This whole package will not be available forever, and neither will the pricing, special pricing that gets activated when you click these green buttons as well. You'll also get some discounts during the first couple of days. Okay, you must go through these green buttons to activate all of that. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get into it. Let's see what it's all about.
With this app, you can easily create high quality clickable images and can promote your offers on social media. You don't need any website, or you don't need to hire any designers. So let's just have a quick glimpse of our software. Alright, so once you log into Social Profit app, this is your dashboard. I will talk more about it later. Let me first show you the very first step which you have to do to create campaigns on Social Profit app. To connect your Facebook account with Social Profit app, you have to go to app setting. Our app is officially verified with Facebook developer, so all you need to do is just click this button and your Facebook account will be connected, and you will see all your Facebook fan pages will be imported here. Alright, another thing you need to do is go to general setting option, and with your app you can search and use copyright free images from two biggest image searching network, Flickr and Pixabay. To do so, you have to connect your Flickr and Pixabay account API key with Social Profit app. And you don't need to worry about these steps because this is very easy, and in our training we are going to provide step by step over the shoulder videos on it. So once you have set up everything, you can now create campaigns with Social Profit app. To do so, just click on create campaign. You have to give a name to your campaign, and here you can see default images which are imported from Flickr and Pixabay. From here you can search images with your keyword, or can upload your very own images by clicking here. So let's say I want to promote an offer on Facebook, and here let me tell you one thing: not only offers, with Social Profit app you can promote anything like web pages, links, CPA or affiliate products, reviews, or maybe a YouTube video link, anything on Facebook. Let's say I have an offer on Starbucks coffee and I want to promote this page. So audience will land on this page and will click on my affiliate link. So all I need to do is first search some relevant and high quality images on Social Profit app. Here I am entering the keyword, and once you click on the search button, you can see all these images related to my keyword are imported here, and these images are absolutely copyright free and ready to use. You can choose any of them as per your choice. Like let's say I am choosing this one, and once you click on configure button, it will redirect you to the editing page from where you can edit and customize your selected image. Here you are going to get a tons of options so that you can play with them and make your image more attractive and eye-catching. Social Profit app is going to provide you a lot of high quality graphical elements such as graphics, which includes cartoons, emojis, flags, icons, socials, sports, stickers, etc. Or you can simply upload your very own graphics. You will also get various figures and shapes which are in SVG format so that you can resize them and can customize them, like changing their colors, etc. And you can also add text over your images. You will get a lot of stylish text templates. So all you need is to choose one among these and edit the default text with your own. And lastly, the most beautiful feature of our app, that we are going to provide you ready to use templates on various niche. You can select your desired one from these 100 inbuilt templates we are providing along with our software. Once I click on it, the template is applied on my selected image. So now you can easily edit this default template, like you can change the text, colors, or other elements, etc. Alright, so our final image is ready, and now we can either save it for later use or can proceed to the next step by clicking continue button. So you can see how easily and quickly I can create a promo image to promote my offer. You don't need any Photoshop skill, or you don't need to hire designers, or don't need to buy stock images. With Social Profit app, you can manage this all with just few clicks. And also, before post your image on Facebook, you can apply various filter effect on your created image to make it more attractive. And once you have done, just click on configure publish button. So our image is ready. And now we have to create content for our image. Without a perfect content, if you just post a single image, that won't be that much effective. And that being said, here we are going to provide all the features by which you can create powerful contents for your image. Let me show you. Like I said, I want to promote this offer or page. So I am just copy the URL and pasting it here. And also I am copying the title of my offer and again paste it here in the title field. In post description, you can either write down your own post description, or we have an inbuilt search engine for post description, and you can use that by clicking on this tiny icon and entering your desired keywords. You can instantly search and import relevant post description. You can see all these post descriptions are copyright free, and you can pick any of them and can edit the default description. And also you can change the default language of the post description with just one click. Here we embed all the major languages like French, or say Spanish, or maybe Japanese, whatever language you want. So no matter you are from which location or you are promoting on which country, if you have Social Profit app, you can easily change the language of your post as per your choice. And another powerful feature of our app is to search relevant hashtags for our offers. As you know, hashtags are an important and viral traffic pulling element, and with our app you can just search related hashtags by searching them with keywords and can use them on your post. You can see all of these hashtags are related to Starbucks, and you can pick multiple hashtags and can apply them on your post. And not only that, you can also add your own hashtags by writing down here. Okay, now we have done everything, and finally we have to set up the sharing option to publish our post. And here we can either post immediately or can schedule a post for future publish. So let me post this image on one of my Facebook fan page. Let's say I want to publish my post on this page diet tracker. So I am just selecting it and clicking on post to Facebook button, and you can see my post is published already. So let's check on Facebook. Here is my page, diet tracker, and you can see, yeah, this is my post published just now with all the descriptions and hashtags. And here is our customized image, and this is absolutely clickable. When I click on this image, it will redirect to my offer page. And you can also find your draft and schedule campaign here. Alright, now let me show you one last thing, the dashboard of Social Profit app. With this interactive dashboard, you can see the current analytic report of your running campaigns, like total hits, campaigns, posts, Facebook post history, etc. And you can also view the location from where your traffics are coming. So definitely this feature is very useful to monitoring your campaigns. And not only that, you will also get this training, update and support links here. From here you can access all our training videos, or can upgrade our software, or if you have any technical issues regarding our software, then you can raise a support ticket through this link.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that demo video. Hope you're excited to get your hands on Social Profit app, and basically the sooner you get in on that, the more you get for the lower price, more bonuses you get for the less price. So really quickly, again, before we close out, if you go through to my bonus page again, there's a little bit here on pricing. You can check it out. The front end, $17.95, basically everything you just saw there in that video, and you can go through and see what's on offer there. There is an upsell, Social Profit app Unlimited edition, and it's really just extra training and unlocks unlimited posting. Then you have an automation edition. You can experience autopilot traffic. Upsell number 3 is done for you edition. So they will deliver, you know, the imagery or whatever for you. And then we've got upsell number 4, reseller edition. You can resell Social Profit app as your own and reap all the profits on that. And upsell number 5 is luxury edition. You get a custom funnel set up, and just really everything you see here. Basically, the more you pay, the less work you have to do, and you can get the team to help you out a bit more. So a lot on offer. Before we close out, I will say one thing. You do only need the front end to get access to the bonuses, so don't think you need all of this to get the bonuses. You're getting the bonuses no matter what. So if you think about it, $17.95 for everything you're getting. Just a whole lot of value there, not a lot to lose, money back guarantee. If you do have any questions still, drop them in the comments, hit me up an email, social media, whatever you want. I reply to everybody. And if not, enjoy Social Profit app, and I'll catch you on the next video. Take care.